Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing Roblox Beestorm Simulator. Yeah, this is a game that I've been playing for a while. Like, I remember getting the Dark Scythe in February. It was wild. Like, I was so happy. I was working so hard to just get the Dark Scythe, and I got it. But yeah, as you can see, this is my hive right here. Literally, I'm like a level 17 and level 18 hive. Only like some of my bees are level 18. But the rest, they're mostly level 17. Yeah, but that's just my hive right there. I'm a red hive. But yeah, to be honest, I want to grind a little bit, so let's do this shit. Alright. I'm just gonna collect all the dispensers. Alright. I'm gonna go kill the coconut crab. Oh yeah, all the memory matches too. Alright, dude. Come on. Oil. Honeysuckles is right here. Bro, I got royal jellies. Oil W. No, tropical chicken was right here. No, was not there. Alright. Alright, guys. Now I'm just gonna get precision so I can kill the coconut crab. Alright. We're gonna do a big boost. Damn, so many plays. Oh no, I missed the precision. Alright, support got 6. Damn, there's too much stuff going on. Alright, there you go. Come on, bees, come on. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Alright. Now I'll just try to kill them, do as much damage as I could. I'm doing so much damage right now. Holy, I'm about to die. Alright. Did I kill him? Yes. Alright. Holy, hold up. Gotta get the volume down a little bit. Alright. Holy, so much good loot right here. Alright. So I'm gonna get started to get ready. I'm gonna get ready for the big boost. Oh, I don't have any eggs. Unlucky. Alright, I'm just gonna do these memory matches. Alright. I don't need royal jellies. Alright. Oh damn, I missed the ticket. Let me just kill the tunnel bear. Hopefully I get a gifted diamond egg. Yeah, nah, that's a low chance. Let me just get baby love. There it is. Come on. And he is cooked. Alright. And I'm also gonna kill the king beetle. Yeah, should I do meteor shower? I think I am. Oh, I didn't get baby love. I ruined it. I'm just gonna kill all my mobs. Honey storm. Alright. Get cooked, Rhino Beetle. I just can't wait for the big boost though, cause I'm really think I'm gonna get like 2 trillion or something. But I don't know why I'm getting so low, honey. I don't know what's going on. Oh yeah, I have to get baby love. That's good, Spider. Wait a minute. Wait, hold up, guys. Sorry about this. Volume is too loud. Holy. Alright. Got a red extract. W. Even though I don't even need that. Because I already spent it on the dark side. Wait, let me see if I have any loaded dice. Yeah, I have like 2. Alright. Just after this I'm gonna go do meteor shower. Just for, I don't know, good luck, for loot. Yeah. Wait, I already have micro converters. Don't need that. Bro, I didn't get nothing good. I didn't even get anything. I don't know. Should I do meteor shower? Yeah. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's in Rosefield. W. So much juicy loot right here. Alright. No, I had to get the linking token. Neon berry, W. Very useful. Another one. Another, yo, 3 neon berries so far. No, I missed the freaking video. Doesn't matter, it's all good. Alright. Alright, where did it go? Went to cactus or pumpkin, should I say? Oh, went to cactus and pumpkin? No, only cactus. Alright. I finished the quest. What the hell? Guys, don't worry. I'm gonna do the big boost. I hope I get a lot of honey. At least like 1 trillion, at least. Alright, come on. Okay, it's that strawberry field. W. Damn, it's like such a crowd over here. I can barely see. Alright. Alright. Nice, I got another neon berry. And I missed these 2 meteors. Holy. 2 of us, like, stuff is going on right here. Alright, is it over with? Alright, thank God. I'm gonna get prepared for my big boost. Wait, let me see. Wait, hold up. Let me see if I got super smoothies. Yeah, I do. I have 4. Oh yeah, let me just feed this guy over here my jelly beans. Come here. Bro, are you serious right now? He literally just reset. Oh yeah, he's macroing. Man, these people macro. Like, bro, it's like bots are only playing this game. Alright, come on. Alright, I'm gonna boost in pepper. Wait, oh, I don't have a purple potion. I have to go craft one. Unlucky. No, what are you... Oh, I sure. I already got some cloud vials. I got like a... Wait, box of frogs. That's nice. Oh, I'm ready for this boost. Purple potion, where are you? Did I end crafting? Fuck. Alright. Oh yeah, and the sticker stack. Almost forgot about that. Oh, I cannot. Nah, I'm just gonna boost without a sticker. Jelly beans? No care about that. Oh yeah. I also have to get my gumdrops prepared. Like, wait, hold up. Instead of my world gigs? Wait, hold up. I'm gonna just move my hair. Yeah, instead of my world gigs, I'm gonna replace it with my gumdrops. Alright, that's it. Wait, let me just make sure. Honeysuckle. I have 13,000 of those. I'm definitely gonna be using some. Alright. Please go to pepper. Please go to pepper, please. Purple potion, please, God. No, I don't want... Pine. Pepper! 7 times, yes. Okay, I'm glad. Alright, let's go. Alright. And the gumdrops? Wait, hold up. Let me just first, use my loaded dice. Come on, please, God. Not my first try. Okay, last one. Bro! Really? I have to go craft some. That is wild. Like, why did it go? It went to mushroom, but I don't know if I can. I don't want to go boost in the mushroom field because I don't know. It barely gives me any honey. Loaded dice. I cannot even make loaded dice. Bro, I can only make 1 smooth dice. God. What? What? I'm broke as hell. Bro, go back there. Wait, I can make a field dice. No, I can't. Bro, what the heck? I don't have any world gigs. Oh my, I'm cooked, guys. So what should I do? Should I just boost in mushroom field? Yeah, I'm gonna boost in mushroom field. What can I do? Alright. Glitter. Super smoothie. Cloud vials. Wait, no, not night bell. Bro, this is gonna be a big boost right here. Oh, I cannot add another cloud. Box of frogs. What else? What else? That's it, right? Comforting vial. That's it. That's it. And then, come on, come on. Why is it not working? Come on, I want to do auto. Bro, you said okay. Bro, what? Auto on. All right. There we go. Now is my time to shine. I need to get my precision up. Whoa! I am getting a lot of honey. Up, bro. I am lagging hard right now. Okay. Holy! Yo! This is too much honey. I mean, it's not that much. I'm at 100 billion. Come on, come on, come on. Alright, 9x precision. Just one more. Yes, I got it. Alright. Now I can just boost. I mean, the honey is going so far great, but it's just like not that much compared to like, you know, pros. Okay, this is like, bro, my capacity's full. Alright. So far it's looking great. I got like, I think around 30 billion. Get my star saws active. Okay, I got another 10 billion so far. This is looking good. I mean, I guess. My score star is 6,000. This is nice. Yo, Dark Key is OP though. Like, Dark Key is actually OP. Alright. Oh yeah, I'm getting like 200, 400 million per second right now. Yo, my precision is about to end. It's close to be. It's close. Alright, there it is. Alright, I'm almost at 200 billion. I feel like I'm doing something wrong with my boost. I don't know. Right. Oh yeah, my star saw. Forgot to activate it. Come on, I need flames. There's the flames. Okay, it's already gonna go away. I completed another quest. Alright, I'm officially at 200 billion. I'm at 212 actually. Alright. No, my position! My position is about to end. Please tell me. Precision. Precise bees! No! It ran out. Where's the... Oh my god. Both of them, okay. Come on! Don't... Ah, I missed it, bruh. Bro. This is literally straight paid right here. This is too paid. Okay, okay. First off. Bro, I cannot even... Bro, this is like the worst. Bro, I don't like this boost. I don't like this boost. I'm not comfortable with this boost. Nope. I do not like this boost, guys. I literally... My precision ran out. Now I need to focus like on my boost right now, so. Alright, yeah, I told you guys this is gonna be like very, very low honey making. Because I don't know, mushroom field, it doesn't give me that much honey. Even though I have like the king beetle amulet that gives like 99% I think, or 97% on honey and mushroom field. But it's horrible. It's still horrible. I think it's probably my hive or something. I don't know what's going on. Right. Oh yeah, I activated my star saw. Like, I'm only getting 200 million per second. And it's sometimes going to 400 million. But that's only when my score star comes. Oh, 1 billion per second. 1 billion per second. No, I speak too soon. Okay, okay, okay. Oh, this is insane. This is insane. This is actually insane. Holy. Okay, now it's going to 800. Bro, I literally get 2 billion per second in Pepper Patch. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I actually don't know what I'm doing wrong. Like, I remember my friend when he was like, he's the red hive too. He gets like 13 trillion honey per boost, or like more than 13 trillion, like 20 trillion. And I'm like, bro, what? How do you get 20 trillion per boost? I'm like, that's just like so weird. And he says like, I don't know, just like my hive, my amulets and everything. That's what he says, bro. That's just crazy. No, I missed the freaking... My precision... Bro! This is the worst boost that I ever done in my life. Or should I say that I've ever done in this game. I don't know what's going on, like... When I was blue, I was making more honey than when I'm in red hive. Like when I'm red hive right now, I used to make more honey as blue. Actually, no, no, no. I actually make more honey as red high than blue. But I just don't know what's going on with my honey. Like, it's not even reaching to 1 trillion right now. I only have like 300 billion. Okay, that's so much flames. Oh, holy. Holy. Okay. Yo, my score star is 9,000. Bro, my precision ruined it. Pretty sure. I could have made much more honey. Go, come on, brother. All right. Bro, I hate when my camera like always goes down. That sucks. That's the thing about playing on PlayStation. It's kind of hard. Like, it's annoying. All right. I'm just getting my star saw prepared because my score star is about to get summoned. Bro, precision. Alright, there you go. I got max precision right now. Alright. Alright, come on, we're right here. Yes! Alright. I'm about to reach to 400 billion. I'm about to reach. I'm almost gonna reach. I'm almost gonna reach it there. Come on, my honey, come on. Oh shit, my boost is about to end. Yes, it got bear morph. That'd be you. Alright. Yeah, I am getting low honey. Like, oh lord. That's why I don't like Mushroom Field. Or it's probably because of my hive. Pretty sure. Right. So far I'm at 375 billion. Almost 375. 76 now. Right, nice. I'm almost at 400 billion, like, bro. This big ass boost, and I'm only getting, like, what, 400 billion from this boost? Or should I say, like, 300 billion? Because I started off with 87 billion, I'm pretty sure. Or 90 billion, 92 billion. And right now, I'm almost at 400 billion. So how much honey did I make? I'm gonna go see. My boost has ended, but not my super smoothie. Like, watch, I'm gonna go boost in my. Hold on. Oh crap, my gumdrops are running out. I mean, I have like 2,000, but I want to save it up for the gummy baller. Okay. Let me see how much money I'm in honey. I mean, let me see how much honey I make, even without the boost. My precision. Alright. Yes, festive mark. Look at this, I'm making 200 million honey per second without the boost. And in Mushroom Field, with the boost, I make only what? 400 million per second with a score star. And by itself, 200 million with no score star, which is wild. And without star saw too. Bro, Pepper, do you see? I'm making so much honey. I mean, I make it 200, but like, it's without the boost, so that's still good. Alright. 1 billion per second. 1 billion per second without the boost. Alright. That's actually insane. Alright, well, my capacity is full. Oh yeah, I have to like. Alright, there we go. And my balloon is 3 billion. Okay. Well, that's gonna take a while. But hey, I think that's it for today. I mean, I did do a boost. A big boost. Definitely a big boost. I only made like. Wait, let me go see actually. Let me go check. I made 360 million. Basically, I only made 330 billion because Pepper Patch, I think I received like 30 billion from that. Without, like, I don't know. I probably received like 30 billion, 40 billion. So basically, I made over 320 or 330 billion honey from Mushroom Field. That is so trash. Horrible. That's actually crazy. Like, I don't know why did my loaded dice not land on Pepper Patch. That would have been like, at least I would have probably made like over 1 trillion. But guys, I think that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed my gameplay. I really hope you guys enjoyed my big boost. That was really fun to try and everything, but what can I do? Went to Mushroom Field, only got like not even that much honey. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If I'm doing wrong with anything, if I'm doing wrong with my formation and everything, and if my hive is the problem, or if my omelets are the problem too, then tell me guys in the comment below. But thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.